RapidPipeline has a handy add-on for Blender, which can import multiple CAD formats, tessellating and fixing them. To see which formats are supported, go to the RapidPipeline website. Features, CAD 3D format conversion. Read more about advanced CAD support. Then read more to see a detailed list. Back in Blender, let's invoke the add-on and choose Import. Let's import this SolidWorks CAD file. On the right is a list of options to apply to the file on import. You can choose the resolution for the meshes, fine, medium, or coarse. The sewing tolerance helps to weld multiple patches together, logically by surface feature, say panels on a door. Remove T-junctions will help with this, like if you have neighboring patches with differing resolutions and you want to fix the gaps. Convert Z is a great way to fix assets that are facing down after you import them. Fix winding order helps to correct surfaces that are backwards. This can happen when surfaces are mirrored in a CAD app. Remove occluded parts is great for optimizing a complex CAD model. Like if there's an engine inside the car, but you don't intend to ever open the hood, this feature will help you strip out all those unseen parts. Simplify Mesh gives you an upper bound to prevent the CAD asset from generating too much mesh when it's tessellated. RapidPipeline imports the mesh, including the CAD materials. If we turn on wireframe and statistics, we can see the tessellation results. The asset is now ready for further processing with RapidPipeline. Check out the other actions for operations you might like to perform. RapidPipeline provides a set of quick and easy tools that makes optimizing CAD assets a breeze. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.